Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Changmin and Seohyun's fortune harmony analysis. There was a request from overseas YouTube subscribers about the combination of Changmin and Seohyun's fortunes. But Changmin is already married. But now that I have a request, let's just look at the fortune harmony. Their fortunes were very unique and individual. Let's analyze it together. Changmin is rain in his fortune. He is tender-hearted, delicate, and emotional. Seohyun is rich land in fortune. She is very realistic and takes good care of herself. The rain falling on the rich ground is the sweet rain. First of all, it's a good meeting. And just below the letter, that means themselves is the perception of the spouse. Changmin wants to give love first. Seohyun wants to be loved. It's a good meeting. I've marked the union in green, and Seohyun's allied with her spouses. It means that once they meet, they don't break up easily. They love for a long time and they get along with each other. Changmin, however, is gathered with energy that expresses himself and values artistic activities. Changmin is a born artist. He is very sophisticated, cool, eloquent, and creative. I hope he will have many opportunities to show his great talents in the future. And Seohyun has a strong energy input, so she has a good ability in information and learning. She always tries to live with exemplary behavior and proper thinking. Changmin is excellent at speaking in language ability. Seohyun has excellent writing ability in language ability. They have very different energy structures, like in the picture. Changmin is a structure that has a strong direct energy output from himself. Energy output from himself. It is pure and very active like a child. Seohyun is a powerful structure for energy inflow. It's a mature and gentle-minded style. Therefore, their fortune harmony score is 79%. I hope them succeed in everything in the future and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.